Hey, what's up, everybody? Um, just wanted to do a quick video making some pancakes in the morning. A lot of y'all know I'm vegan, alkaline vegan. It's extremely hard to find not only the products, but to stay on top of it, especially when you're a busy business professional. So one of the things that I love is this pancake mix from salt to pepper, where you basically just add sparkling water, and you got pancakes ready to go in a few minutes. Inside of the mix, you got spelt flour, garbanzo bean flour, agave powder, vanilla powder. So it's healthy and quick. So I'm gonna just show you just how easy it is. It helps me a lot when I'm hungry and want to get something quick before work. Like if you got kids, want to be able to make them something that tastes good, but it's also healthy, really quick. It's great. So here we go. So this is just 2 cups. Just 2 cups of the pre-made mix. And the next step is to just add sparkling water. So we're about halfway done. I'm just gonna mix it and then put it on the griddle. Okay, so the mix is done. Just spray the griddle. And I'm gonna pour. Hey Victor, what's up, man? This is I'm making pancakes, Melanie. So Victor, these are vegan alkaline pancakes inspired by your father, Dr. Sabi. And you pretty much take 2 minutes to create. And really, it's only about 30 seconds on each side. So, I mean, this is great, especially for me. I'm super busy. I love pancakes. I love waffles. So there's also coconut spelt flour vegan alkaline waffle that I make. But these pancakes, I love them because they taste just like regular pancakes, but it's all vegan alkaline. Again, from salt to pepper, pre-made mix. Just add sparkling water to this mix and just very easy. As you can see, they look just like regular pancakes. They taste just like regular pancakes too. And that's about it. I mean, pancakes are done. If you have any questions, let me know.